everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Soundbird V6 Super Cardioid Shotgun Microphone by Saramonic. And we're also going to look at a 2-channel audio mixer with phantom power that can be used for your DSLR cameras. So taking a look at the Soundbird V6, this is a Super Cardioid Shotgun microphone, Super Cardioid Poiler pattern, broadcast quality, and has gold-plated XLR connectors. Ideal for film production, dialogue, sound effects, and other professional applications. So inside you're gonna get the shock mount, mic clip, male to female XLR cable, foam windscreen, furry windscreen, and a cold shoe mount. So taking it out of the box, you'll see that it comes in a very nice case. This is a hard plastic case. Opening it up, you can see that you have the microphone, the foam windscreen, shock mount, the mic clip, the furry windscreen, and then the XLR cable. And briefly going over some specs, the Soundbird V6 features ultra low noise circuitry and high sensitivity. It has a frequency response of 65 Hz to 20 kHz. The acoustic principle is a condenser, and again, polar pattern is super cardioid. Maximum SPL is 125 dB, signal to noise ratio 78 dB, and it does require 48 volt phantom power. It weighs in at roughly 203 grams, and it has an output connection, which is the XLR. So taking a look at the microphone, it feels very solid, just a metal feel all around. You have the Saramonic branding here on the side along with the Soundbird V6, and then on the back you have the gold-plated XLR connections. Looking at the body, you'll find no switches at all. There's no gain or low cut switch. It's just a simple design here, but very powerful. And just looking at the accessories that it comes with, again, it comes with the foam windscreen, just slips right on. You have the shock mount as well, the mic clip, and you also have an adapter here for a cold shoe mount, and then a fur windscreen for, you know, outdoor applications where it's really windy. So for this video, I'll provide some audio samples in a little bit. We'll use the DSLR camera. I'll just attach it to that, and we'll compare it with the V-Mic 5 Pro. So the shotgun microphone does require 48 volt phantom power, and Saramonic offers a 2-channel audio mixer with phantom power. This is the SR-PAX1. It's designed for DSLR cameras, camcorders, and it's ideal for recording professional quality audio from 2 sources and mixing that with your camera. So inside it comes with the audio mixer, and then you get the user manual and some stickers. So briefly going over some specs for the Saramonic SR-PAX1. This allows you to connect multiple professional microphones and other audio signals to DSLR cameras. As far as the inputs, it features 2 balanced XLRs, 3 1/8 3.5mm jacks, and the output is 1/8 TRS stereo mini jack. It also has a headphone monitoring, frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and it provides phantom power to the 2 XLR ports, which is a 48 volt power supply. The power requirements, it takes a 9 volt alkaline battery, and it weighs in at 357 grams. So taking a look at the controls, on the front you have your left and right control knobs, you have your left and right channel controls, your mono and stereo button, your power button, your output, and then your headphone monitoring. Taking a look at the back, you have the battery compartment here, and then your 2 XLR inputs along with your left and right mini input jacks. And again, this is powered by a 9 volt battery, so you just want to lift this tab up and then you'll have access to the 9-volt battery compartment. All right, now for some audio samples, I have the Soundbird V6 hooked up to the mixer, and then it's connected to the DSLR right now. So the audio you're hearing is from the Saramonic Soundbird V6. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the audio from the Soundbird V6 shotgun microphone. All right, now you're hearing the audio from the Saramonic V-Mic 5 Pro. Just wanted to throw another microphone up here for comparison. I'm about a few feet away from the microphone. It's mounted on the top of my DSLR camera. So hopefully you can tell the difference between the Soundbird V6 and then the V-Mic 5 Pro. And of course, the Soundbird V6 is definitely priced a lot higher than this V-Mic 5 Pro, but just again, just wanted to have something for comparison. Now I'm gonna switch back to the Soundbird V6. Okay, now back to the Saramonic Soundbird V6. The microphone is just off to the side here, just off from the camera view. Hopefully you can hear the difference from the V-Mic 5 Pro and the Soundbird V6. You know, definitely I feel this is a great shotgun microphone. It cuts out a lot of the surrounding noises. I've had a chance to test it out and use it in a few of my videos, and it's just worked exceptionally well. I like that it can work with the mixer that Saramonic has, and it's easy to operate and just to get going. It's just pretty much plug and play, get that 48 volt phantom power, and then, you know, for my uses, I use it on my DSLR camera, and it's just worked out very well. So very warm sounds, and it blocks out a lot of the noises, and it's been working out very well in a lot of the videos that I've used it on, and you know, just to give it a chance and test it out. So definitely this is going to be one of my go-to mics when I do a lot of my videos, and it comes with a lot of the accessories and definitely a nice carrying case. So I left the link in the description box below. If you're interested in a shotgun microphone, check out the Saramonic Soundbird V6. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.